Hi everybody. Why is the cell called the structural and functional unit of life? Before coming to the answer of this question, we will go deep to understand why it is called. As we know that all living organisms, especially unicellular, first we will see about the unicellular organisms are made up of single cell, as we know that very well. We know that there are so many unicellular organisms like your bacteria, amoeba, paramecium and all, but all they have same structures. No, they have different structure, but even then they are single cell. So we can say that the cell is the structural unit of this unicellular organisms. Yes, but in case of multicellular organism, how can we say that the cell is the structural unit of life? Because in case of multicellular organisms, life starts with a single cell. It further divides and differentiate to form the whole structure of the multicellular organisms, as we can see in case of human beings. This is the best example. So that's why cell is the structural unit of life. But now, how can we say that is a functional unit? We know that in case of unicellular organism has a single cell. Within this cell, all essential functions is performed within this cell, within this single cell. So we can say that cell is the functional unit of life. But how can we say that in case of multicellular? We can say that cell is the functional unit of life in case of multicellular organism because every single cell in a multicellular body, that is, it is, as we know that it is made up of many cells, are capable to perform all essential functions which are capable to do unicellular organisms within a single cell. It is possible because of all the cell organelles are present which are also present in a single cell of unicellular organisms. All are present in case of also multicellular organisms. So that's why we can say that cell is the functional unit of life in case of all unicellular organism and multicellular organism. So here is the answer. The building block of any living organism is cell, which is the sole base for making the entire body of the organism. In case of unicellular, they have independent existence, but in case of multicellular organisms, they further divide and form the entire body. So that's why cell is the structure unit of. A cell is capable to perform all essential functions of life like your digestion, digestion, respiration, reproduction. That's why cell is the functional unit of life. That's all. Thank you.